In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause Cloudflare. If you've ever needed to troubleshoot an issue with your website or test how it functions without Cloudflare's features in the way, this guide will show you exactly how to put a temporary pause on Cloudflare's services without removing your site from the platform entirely. Let's get started. First, you need to log into the Cloudflare dashboard. This is your main control panel for managing your website's performance and security settings with Cloudflare. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all the domains you've added to your account. Go ahead and select the domain for which you want to pause Cloudflare. This will direct you to the main overview page specifically for that domain. Now that you're on your domain's overview page, look around to find the Advanced Actions section. You'll locate it in the lower right corner of the screen. This area contains some powerful actions and settings that can have significant impacts on how Cloudflare interacts with your domain. Within this Advanced Actions section, you'll find a button labeled Pause Cloudflare on Site. Clicking this button will begin the process of pausing Cloudflare services. But wait, after you click, a confirmation prompt will appear. This step is crucial, as it ensures that you truly intend to pause Cloudflare and understand the changes that will follow. It's designed to prevent accidental interruptions in service. Confirm your choice by clicking Yes or OK when prompted. Once you've confirmed, what happens next is fairly straightforward. Essentially, pausing Cloudflare means Cloudflare will deactivate all of its proxy services, CDN, which is a content delivery network, WAF, that's a web application firewall, and SSL features for your site. This means that instead of going through Cloudflare, all your website traffic will be forwarded directly to your origin server. Now, it's worth noting that while these security and performance features are paused, your DNS will still be served by Cloudflare. This is important because it means your site will remain active, just without the added layers of protection and caching that Cloudflare provides. Now, you're probably wondering how long this takes. Generally, these changes take about 5 minutes or less to fully activate. During this time, you may notice some fluctuations in your site's response time or behavior as the changes propagate through the network. And there you have it. You've successfully paused Cloudflare for your site. Whether you're working on some updates, monitoring performance, or just testing functionalities, this simple process can be a helpful tool in your web management arsenal. Feel free to return and unpause whenever you're ready to reinstate those robust Cloudflare features. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tech tips and tutorials.